Let's go ahead and get started. It's 5 p.m. I am here to discuss how to become an AppExchange partner. So thank you so much for joining me this evening. I hope that you guys are getting excited for Dreamfest. Maybe my session is the last one standing in between you and happy hour, whatever that may be. My name is Kirsten Craig. I'm a marketing manager on the AppExchange. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at Kirsten Craig. In classic Salesforce fashion, just a forward-looking statement that says to base your purchasing decision on products and services that are commercially available. So let's dive right in. So we're in the middle of a massive transformation, and we see this in the market. We're hearing this from our customers. We're hearing it from our partners. And that transformation is the shift in cloud adoption. If you're not familiar with this, IDC predicts that there will be 20% increase year over year past 2021 of cloud adoption. So if you're in the cloud, it's certainly the place to be. I don't think I can go a day without hearing about the latest and greatest cloud strategies. But the funny thing is it's not really about the cloud. The cloud offers new means of technology delivery and management, but it's actually about the value that the cloud unlocks. There's several values here up on this screen, but for tonight's session, I'm just going to focus on two. The first being mobility. So we're in a day and an age where we need to be always on. Even at conferences like Dreamforce, I constantly catch myself checking my email, responding to my manager. Mobility is key, and the cloud enables us to access all of our different softwares and technologies from our mobile device. The second value that I'd like to touch on is ecosystem. So the cloud enables us to access all of our different products and technologies through the cloud in a seamless experience. And this ecosystem is what powers what we like to call the Salesforce economy. So the Salesforce economy is powered by all of our customers, our partners, our trailblazers that are really powering. One stat that sticks out to me here is that IDC predicts that by 2022, we will contribute $859 billion in GDP impact, and that's huge. So how do you become a part of this Salesforce economy? Well, one way is to join the Salesforce AppExchange Partner Program. I'm going to go over 3 different parts of this program. I'm going to start by talking about access to our customers. We'll discuss access to technology, and then we'll discuss access to our resources. So starting with our customers, Salesforce has over 150,000 customers. And of this, 89% of them use an AppExchange app. It is key to be on the AppExchange because this is a way to get your product and your technology in front of all of our customers across several different countries. So diving into what this looks like. So we are the world's #1 enterprise cloud marketplace, and there are several ways to build applications to be a part of this. I'm going to start with the middle, enhancing Salesforce. So you can build a classic application to enhance our CRM, bolts, apps, components, or you can dive into horizontal. So when we look at customers that are actually using Salesforce products, only 20 to 25% of the organization is using that product. That gives tremendous opportunity to build white space opportunities. Think HR, think IT, etc. So if you have a product idea that falls in a new line of business, that's a great opportunity. And finally, industries. You're going to hear it at Dreamforce over and over again. It's something that Mark Benioff stresses as well. Industries is key at Salesforce. So if you have a leading edge, innovative industry solution, the AppExchange is a great place to launch that product. Alrighty, so diving into access technology. I'm sure that you've heard today over and over again that trust is a key value at Salesforce. When you build an application on the AppExchange, you are ensuring your customers, your prospective customers, that you have a trusted solution. This is because in order to build an application, you have to go through our security review process, which can take some time, be a little daunting, but the outcome is that you are a trusted solution. And so when we look at actually building a product on our platform, Salesforce is fundamentally different than other companies because we provide you with a platform to build your application. And what's funny is the 80-20 rule actually prevails in this case because we give you 80% of the technology that you need to build an app. In fact, all apps have 80% of the same technology, and that is things like trusted infrastructure, core capabilities, and distributed technologies. By giving you this 80%, you can focus your efforts on the 20% that matters, and that's innovation. So let's talk about our flexible architecture. How can you actually build an application? The truth of the matter is there's several ways to build apps on the AppExchange. You can build a basic integration through an API or a full native solution on our platform. And full transparency, I don't really care if you decide to go the API route versus the full stack route. What I care about is that you're creating a solution that matters to your customers. So what is the best form of application for your business line to really improve customers' lives? And now, access to resources. So Salesforce has been in the game for 19 years. We have a lot of brand awareness and resources to ensure that your partner journey is seamless and that you can work with other people in the partner community to ensure that you're off to a great start. So there are several different growth multipliers to help you on your journey. And before I dive into this, I just wanted to state that we are a revenue share model, so we succeed when you succeed. Now, ways to capitalize on this growth multiplier. One, there are several things that are included in becoming an AppExchange partner program. So the first step is joining the partner community. And in this community, you'll find several different resources, data sheets, and fellow partners to help you on your partnership journey. There are also several different paid opportunities. And though this may be early for some of you that are just thinking about launching an application early on now, I'd like to go over just a few. So one, you can always partner with a PDO. That's a product development outsourcer to help you get your app up and running quicker. So basically you pay them, they work with several different Salesforce partners, and they ensure to increase your development time and ensure a quicker security review process. Second, we have a couple different pay-to-play models, one being the AppExchange marketing program. This is a way that you can work with the AppExchange marketing team to actually put dollars into increasing your search engine optimization on the App Store and doing display ads and other co-marketing initiatives. And finally, sponsorship. So you're at Dreamforce, you see all of these booths. We have several different conferences, world tours around the globe, so you can get in front of the relevant customers for you. And then finally, strategic alliances. So Salesforce Ventures is always looking for the latest and greatest technologies to invest in. By getting an app up and running on the AppExchange, this is a great way to kind of build your customer base and get in the eyes of those investors. So how do we move forward together? There's 3 different stages of partnership success. The first one that I want to touch on is delivering your MVP as fast as possible. My tip here is to ensure that you have a large, broad base of beta customers that have used your solution so that you can feel confident launching on the AppExchange. Once you have those beta customers, they can also contribute reviews and other things on the App Store to ensure that people feel like they're getting the right solution for themselves and that they know that the solution is right for them. Second is product market fit. So we talked about the different kinds of applications you can launch, just understanding where does your product play in the larger ecosystem and who are your ideal users. And finally, scale. So once you have your MVP delivered fast as possible, your product market fit, that's when you go up and running with marketing and sales initiatives to launch your application and get it in the eyes of the customers that you would like. Now, building a successful AppExchange business. There are several different things on this list, designing for the users, which we just talked about, but one thing that's really important to me is getting Salesforce smart. So I'm sure that you all have heard of Trailhead. That is the way to learn with Salesforce. The AppExchange has several different Trailhead modules that can help you on your application strategy. Finally, leveraging the platform. as you know, Salesforce releases 3 different innovative platform changes per year, and as an AppExchange partner, you have access to those updates. And then finally, aligning with the broader industries and cloud. Like I said, industries is a very hot topic right now, so if you have a leading industry solution, it's definitely something to consider. And finally, I like to dive into a partner story. So this one's a vertical one. It's nCino, started in 2012 by bankers, for bankers, a way to make the deposit and loan systems more of a seamless experience. So a quote here from Dory Weiss, the VP of Engineering, is, basically, it took the team of developers a couple of years to realize that they had the Salesforce platform at their fingertips. They didn't really need to start from scratch and start building. So once they realized that, they went to market so much faster. They used things like Trailhead to learn more and build quicker. And now they're a worldwide leader in cloud banking. Alrighty. So who is ready to join the partner community? The first step is to join AppExchange.com. So check out this website, take a picture if you'd like. This is going to give you a bunch of other resources and collateral to help expedite your partner journey. And then following this, you'll join the partner community. Now, how else can you get involved at Dreamforce? Well, for one, we have the AppExchange Den right behind us. You're sitting at my session now, so you're getting involved with the different sessions. We also have several different demo jams, which is where leading apps kind of showcase their solution and go head to head. And then finally, Appiness on social. So if you're on Twitter, pull it up. We have a ton of different giveaways right now. I've been seeing that we've been giving out $100 gift cards like candy just by answering simple questions like, what is your favorite AppExchange app? So keep your eyes peeled for a group of people that are in green sweatshirts with Appy all over it. Alrighty, that's all I have for you this evening. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any other questions, I will be at this booth and I'm happy to discuss face to face. Thanks so much.